Hey, it's Keith from Outlaw Speed Shop. Welcome to the Custom Diecast Renegades and Hoodlums Custom Truck Challenge presented by Gunslinger Garage. There are a lot of prize packages this time around. Gunslinger Garage, free car, El Camino, first place, second, and third, Amazon gift cards. William Mr. K7 Robinson giving away a K10. Howard from Big Paw Garage is giving away some trophies and a bag of 3D printed parts to the top three. Kristen Stanaland is giving away some mint inbox Hot Wheels, first place, second place, and he's also giving away a Hot Wheels car to the third place winner. Kenny Terry from Waterslide Decals is giving away a $20 gift voucher for decals for first, second, and third place. We have a custom diorama by Chris Smith. This thing is unbelievable. Also have a first place prize custom monster truck from Joe Patton. We have a Real Riders Bone Shaker donated by somebody I cannot remember because my computer crashed. Donated by Dustin Winsell. We have first and second place Bone Shakers Baja version. And the winner gets every single entry. All right, welcome to round two, part one. I'm breaking this section up into parts as well to make it easy for voting. Huge thanks to everybody who voted in round one. There was some stiff competition and a lot of people went home, but we got some that moved on. Some got a free pass last time. They're not going to be so lucky this time. So here's our winners, and let's go and take a quick look and then we'll recap at the end. Number 14, the Glitter Shitter. The hood was removed, new big block engine installed with spark plugs, paint was stripped off the body, resprayed with bright silver base and clear Tamiya acrylic, micro glitter, coated the whole truck with the Tamiya clear yellow, then upper half painted using Tamiya clear blue. Number 16, the 956 Cruiser. This is a satin black with gloss black trim 56 pickup, clear coated, green light wheels. Number 11, Redemption. It's a 62 Chevy truck, custom with the bed cut off, rear hand built, matching trailer, carrying a Chevy Love as a cargo, finished in an orange and gunmetal paint job and decals for that race day feel. Number 19, America. Competition orange metal flake jacked up oversized tires Southern Renegade truck. Square body Chevy. This is the epitome of a Southern redneck pickup truck that you take out in the mud. Jacked up, ready to rock. Number 8, Sunday Driver. It's a matchbox casting with lift and wheel swaps. Been repainted, detailed with a wood box floor and a sunroof delete. Number 25, the Long Hauler. 3 Hot Wheels Xbox 2019 Raptors were used, along with wood and decals to construct and detail the camper. JB Weld, Milliput, superglue, aluminum, brass, rods and screws are also used. Paint is Testor's metallic blue, Rust-Oleum gloss clear coat. Number 4, the Shocker. Hot Wheels 69 Chevy C10 with a wheel swap, custom paint inside and outside and underneath, and a custom decal on the bed cover. Number 22, the El Nomino. 55 Nomad with the top cut off, filled in sunroof, scoop removed, detailed interior, speakers and amplifier, finished truck bed, widened wheel tubs, handmade NOS bottle, removable flush mount aluminum bed cover, axle tubes made with recycled Bic lighter parts, custom rear window, color is intense blue pearl by Duplicolor. Alright, so how to vote? All entrants are anonymous. Nobody's supposed to know who built what. To vote, comment below. Enter the numbers of your choices. For example, 1, 2, 3. The numbers that you enter all count. So please make sure you vote on each single competition. Don't just put one number down because you think he's going to win, the whole thing. So those will be discounted. So please make sure to vote in each and every single competition. Number 14 or number 16? Number 11 or number 19? Number 8 or number 25? Number 4 or number 22? So we got 24 hours of voting. This ends at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on 2/26/20. Once that happens, I close all comments. So you won't be able to comment after that time because the way YouTube works, it disables them. So again, thanks everybody for voting last time. Please vote again this time. These guys deserve it. They put a lot of hard work, and it's awesome to see everybody participate.